Hi, second period anatomy class. I'm Kaylie Armstrong.
And I'm Toni Thompson.
And today we're asking Cooper what they know about the lymphatic system.
And here's a couple clips of their responses.
I think that it's the system in the body that includes the lymph nodes and that sort of filters poisons, and I know that it easily gets infected. It's like the first place where infection goes.
The lymphatic system? Would that be, well, your lymph nodes, so your throat?
Mm-hmm.
So,
Do you know what they do?
don't they, I would say, don't they fight, like, the antibodies or whatever that are in your body? Yeah. Sweet.
That sounds nasty.
I don't know, seriously, what is it though?
I would think it has something to do with your lymph nodes and your.
Is that your brain?
Oh,
No,
Where's the lymphatic system?
it runs throughout your body.
A system in your body that they're glands that filter good or bad bacteria or good or bad things inside your body. It works to keep us healthy, and it's also a signal that tells you when you have an infection in your body somewhere.
Do you know a part of your body that a lymph node might be?
Yep, you got them here. You got them in your armpits.
Mm-hmm.
You got them underneath here in your neck area.
Right.
It's something in your body that helps fight something.
Does it have to do with the lymph nodes? It's the circulation system of fluids. I know it does that. That's about all I know.
The lymphatic system is like the circulatory system. It goes all throughout your body, and I believe it transports somehow like to fight infections. I forget what it is, and it's located all throughout your body, but primarily in your neck and your underarms and your groin area. And I know that when I get sick, one of the first things that happens is my lymph nodes start to swell up like on the side of my neck, and that's pretty much what I know.
Yeah, that's
I'm
awesome.
just a history guy, but you know.
No? Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
Okay.
It goes all through your body, and I'm not sure exactly the function of it, but I know if you can get infections, so I'm pretty sure that it's something to carry away.
Mm-hmm.
But germs and so forth, cleanse.
Yeah.
System of lymphs.
I took anatomy last year, and it is the lymphatic system has lymph nodes that collect bacteria that can eventually harm your body, and it basically just protects your system. You can find lymph nodes and like your throat when a doctor checks right here, and your underarms and stuff like that.
Something to do with the lymph nodes.
Do you know maybe what they do? What those lymph nodes do?
I think lymph nodes probably take stuff that is in our body and to be able to distribute it in a way to where it helps our body function properly, because if our lymph nodes go bad, they don't move things in our body to its proper spots, they don't produce certain things, obviously the body breaks down and leads to maybe early death or problems.
No? Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay. Alright, so as you can tell, there are some people that had no idea what the lymphatic system was. There are some people who guessed, and some people who knew just a little bit, but not too much. The lymphatic system is composed of lymphatic vessels, such as lymph capillaries and lymph collecting vessels, and then we have some lymphoid tissues, which are your lymph nodes, which like ones in your throat are the most well-known lymph nodes in our body. You also have them in your armpits and your groin area. Then we have 4 lymphoid organs. The first one is the spleen, which is on the left side of our abdomen. It filters out our blood. And then we have the thymus gland in our throat that produces hormones. We have tonsils, which trap and collect bacteria that enters our throat while we're breathing. And we have Peyer's patches in the walls of our small intestines. Those resemble the tonsil structure. They collect and trap bacteria that enters our body maybe through our food. The function of the lymphatic system is to transport escape fluids back to the blood. And it's mostly lymph that is carried by vessels. Lymph is a fluid that is mostly composed of bacteria, viruses, cell debris, cancer cells. It has a one-way system to the heart. The milking action of our skeletal muscle really helps this, as well as the rhythmic contraction of smooth muscle in the vessel walls. Another huge function of our lymphatic system is body defense and resistance to disease, as well as immunity. The body is always in contact with bacteria and fungi, and the lymphoid organs collect bacteria and help get rid of it. And our immunity and our immune responses and all of that stuff is also tied in with it. But what you really want to know is the function and the parts of the lymphatic system.